One morning in springtime, when soft falls the dew, a pretty fair damsel picked violets so blue. She made a sweet sound, made the valleys to ring. My love, he's in Flanders, fighting for the king. And I would that the wars, they were over. I would that the wars, they were done. I'll take the red robin, so jaunty and gay. I have my robin, but he's far away. He wears a red jacket, and his cheeks like the rose. He sings of his knell as to battle he goes. And I would that the wars, they were over. I would that the wars, they were done. 10,000 bluebells to welcome the spring. When will the church bells for victory ring? And all the young men will return from the war, and I can get wed to the girl I adore. And I would that the wars, they were over. I would that the wars, they were done.